rightio. The new camera and audio setup. It arrived today. It's a Ghost X. So sick of fucking shit. It's a bit. Hold on. Right, now I'm with it. I was so sick of GoPro and it not working and having all the rigmarole. I decided to go and buy myself a little Drift X. I watched a couple of reviews. It looks okay, and it looks mint. I reckon. You can't even tell that it's there. I can't feel it on the helmet at all, unlike the GoPro. Anyway, so I've got this thing, trying it out. See how we go. I promptly lost my license, and then I had 28 days off bikes, and then I spent a fortune on Lime scooters. I reckon I actually added it up the other day, and it was around about 600 bucks with 2 brand new bikes sitting in the garage. Crazy. But back now, and it's a bit of fun. I'm looking forward to going out on the Tuono with it, having a bit of a hoon around. Comes the rain. No! Oh shit! I'm gonna get soaked. Very fucking slippery. Whoa! This AGV is quite noisy. I've just got another one arrive, which is for my birthday. It's a Corsa, which I'm looking forward to. And it's super comfortable, but bloody noisy. Ooh. I took the baffles out of the arrows. I've got rid of the mirrors and put these little rear view mirrors on. I don't know if you can see those on the handlebars, but oh my god, it's so much fun, so different to the Tuono. Great fun to jump on in the morning and just whiz through traffic. It's really high so I can see a lot. Bars are above the most mirrors of the car, so I don't have to worry about knocking them. Oh shit, I should slow down actually, because this is a bit of traffic on the road. But anyway, so yeah, the Drift, I'm going to have a listen and a look at it when I get to work. That'll be the helmet cam sorted. I've got cameras for Africa for the bike. I've got one on the rear underneath the seat on the Tuono. I've got one on the side fairing. So lots of cameras, lots of camera angles. I'm planning on having a little bit of fun with all that stuff. Should be a laugh. Well, I've got 2 brand new Aprilias. Good. Aprilia New Zealand did me a bit of a solid, as they say. I've got the arrows on this, which sound awesome. I mean, people can definitely hear me coming, put it that way. Anyway, just a little short one before I get to work. Say hello, and yeah, I'm back. This time properly back, because I don't have to faff around. Hopefully I don't have to faff around.